That's better. So the next news we're talking about is that Acer Chromebook Spin 713 2021 review Victory Lap. The newest Chromebook Spin 730 is just as good as last year model. So in Brazil, I'm not seeing any Acer Chromebook Spin here. So maybe this is the first time I'm seeing this notebook, okay? And it looks like a tablet and it has good stuff. Excellent 3.2, 342 screen, fingerprint sensor, Thunderbolt 4 support. And bad stuff, battery life is bit worse than last year, loud as Chromebooks go, and not the prettiest. And it has 8 points on Verge score and costs $699 from Best Buy. Okay, I I guess this is a very beautiful notebook, very beautiful laptop, and it's also a tablet. You can turn it to a tablet mode. Okay. To start, use the Acer Chromebook Spin 730. You will need to agree to the following. Connect to your Wi-Fi network, Google Terms Service, Google Pay Terms Service. You can also say yes or no to the following. Okay. Let's see what more you can talk about. Core i5, 8 gig of RAM, and 2056 gig of storage. Okay. It also has Core i7, i7. Okay, i5. We don't know the generation. What is the generation? Okay, it's here. Ace Chromebook Spin 730 XPEX, 713 XPEX as reviewed. Processor Intel Core. I even put where I start. Just a minute. 2 seconds. Maybe 14. Okay. Uh, let's do it again. Acer Chromebook Spin 713 XPEX. Processor Intel Core i5 11th generation. Memory 8 gigs of RAM and 2056 gigs of storage. PCI Gen 3 SSD. It's a good thing. 1 kilograms. Battery. Okay. Display PS 13 inch. Is that why? Maybe that's why the name is 713. Maybe. It has Full HD plus. Full HD plus. Maybe. No. Maybe no. Maybe yeah. Maybe you. Camera HD webcam. Bluetooth 5.0. Okay. Maybe this could be a good laptop in UK, in USA, but in Brazil, I believe it is you not sell because the price is too high for what Brazilian people would buy, and when convert to reais, it would be more than 3,000 reais, and with the tax, it will be more than 4,000 reais. So people in Brazil will not buy this thing, but in USA, maybe it is a good product when you have something said here. So, okay, if you liked what I talk about, this is another product. If you liked what I talk about in this clip, if you want to participate with me and help me practicing my English conversation, go stay with me during the lives. I will add the link on the description. Maybe I will do live every Thursday, maybe every Thursday. Let's see what you think about that. And you can go there and you stay with me during the stream, okay? That's it. The end.